Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to reset hero in Mobile Dungeon. In Mobile Dungeon, resetting a hero is simple, but requires a few specific materials. You'll need crystals and reincarnation stone. Reincarnation stones can be found in shops as adventure rewards or other in-game events, so make sure you collect a few before attempting a reset. Once you have these materials, go to your chapel, select the hero you want to reset, and tap the reset option next to send. Here, you'll see the cost, usually 50 crystals and 1 reincarnation stone, and the rewards or resources you'll get back from the reset. The cost is the same regardless of your hero's rarity, so you don't need to worry about higher level characters being more expensive. Resetting a hero can help you redistribute resources, upgrade another hero more efficiently, or start fresh with a character you want to focus on. With your crystals and reincarnation stone ready, you'll be able to reset your hero quickly and strategically. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.